Merry Christmas! Coming to this brand new villa, but not only just one villa, two villas I've got to show you today. Welcome to Totally Evelyn. Come inside. Super exciting. Come with me. What I absolutely love about this villa and the next villa that I'm going to show you is the space. This is Jumeirah Golf Estates and you don't always get the high ceilings like this. So the other one's replica. We have a swimming pool. It is custom built. This swimming pool is slightly smaller. You'll see that on the next one. And we've still got lots to do, although it will be completely finished in 4 weeks. Would you like to see upstairs? If you like golf, you're going to be in heaven. So this is the one that we've just checked. There's still more to come, but here is the next villa, right next door. Wow, this would be some place for a party. Christmas here. And of course you have your stunning kitchen, all that space there. You even have a bedroom actually in the lounge, so if your parents coming to stay, you know, a downstairs bedroom is really special. That's just going to be great for your parents, they don't have to move. And they've got a toilet here. You've also got a utility room here. You've got the entrance here, you've got a maid's room as well, which is perfect. So if you're having a Christmas party, you don't have to get into mess, you don't have to do the cooking, you can have a maid. This is the master bedroom, and the balcony already got designs on what I would do with this. But also, if you were buying both these villas, I can say, hand on heart, buy it now, because if you wait till the open market and it goes on the open market, the price you will pay is 1,900 per square foot to 2,000 price per square foot, which is typical in this beautiful area of Jumeirah Golf Estates. So I could possibly negotiate to try and get you 1,800 price per square foot. So as you can see, this garden is a little bit bigger. Both villas have a 6,000 plot. Inside, just over 5,000 square feet. I personally like the shape of this one better because the pool's at an angle away from my patio door. You've got your decking area here and tucked away around the corner, which I'll show you next week because not good with the heels on walking on wobbly grass, which is still to be sorted. 3 weeks and I'll come back and show you the finished result. Custom built to make it look absolutely stunning for both villas looking replicated. And just a note of interest actually, I would never ever have thought this, but I have had families, friends who want two villas together on the golf course. I don't know why, but they want to buy a villa next door to each other. Do you get that? Let me know if that's something that you would do. And if you want two villas next to each other, the extended family, then contact me. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And do remember to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you on the next one.